various different parts of the country to this wonderful event hosted by the Huntley Bird Club. Good, got to get my animal species right.
Been some great stories out of the show. We've had young Toby who's come up all the way out from Timaru. He's been breeding birds with his granddad, and he won a all-place medal, so it's great to see some young people coming through. And we also had an 82-year-old who has just got into breeding birds and took out the gold medal, so that's yeah, one of the highlights of the show for me.
The key thing is you have to follow the standard for that bird. It's in the book, it's the breed standard, you've got to breed to that. Secondly is being able to pair your birds up, and because some birds will do well together, others won't, and so that's a key thing. And then the third thing I think really is feeding. Feeding is incredibly important. A well-fed bird in a happy environment is going to do well. Just like any form of animal husbandry, feeding is crucial. Those are the three things that spring to mind.
Like anything, it's what you put in is for what you get out of it.
Yeah, they get apple, broccoli, silver beet, chickpeas.
Well, the seed, Topflite's good seed because New Zealand grown, it sprouts. I think feeding is a huge part of the success of probably showing and also breeding, I think, of the bird as a whole.
The 2019 Topflite National is done for another year. It's been a great event, more than 1,400 birds, great gathering of people, and we look forward to seeing everyone again in New Plymouth in 2020.